Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, today I have a whole bunch of like brass fittings here. This also had a bunch of stainless steel that I've now taken out. I'm going to try and make this just for brass here. The purpose of this is just to kind of show you that you got to be careful when you're buying this kind of stuff, because in here I've only had a few. There hasn't been a whole lot, but as you can see, I have some stainless, some brass, and an ugly thing there. But what I'm trying to show you is that between the two of these, one of these is not like the other, but they were in the same area. So you can be fooled. They do make brass or copper looking fittings that are just not, just so you're aware. As well as, same thing here. There you go. That one is not. So you got to be careful. Same with stainless. Here's the worst thing about stainless is that if you look at it, that one came real quick. But with stainless, some of them have a little bit of magnetism to them. This one, you pretty much have to be on top of it to get it to come, but you can knock it off just by whipping it off. So that's how I know this one is actually stainless. So there you go. This one is just corroded. It looks like it's a junky screw, but in all actuality it's just got corrosion. Wow. Anyway, thought I'd just show you that to you. So if you're looking through some of your screws and things like that and you got a bunch of brass stuff, you might check them with a magnet. Make sure there isn't a bunch of other stuff mixed in, especially if you have a plan for them and you're going to use them. These ones will rust in no time if you're using them in a wet type area. These ones will do better, so pay attention to that. I've even had some things like this get by me at actual stores where somebody just screwed up and put the wrong ones in the wrong place. So it can happen. All right, little tip. Hopefully you enjoyed this, got something out of it. So get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.